Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a tasty and effective cucumber weight loss drink. You need to drink this for at least 7 days for massive weight loss. So stay tuned. So to make this weight loss drink, I'll be making use of 1 cucumber. Cucumber is so good because to hydrate, regulate blood sugar and aid digestion. I'll be making use of mint leaf. Mint leaf will help to boost metabolism. It will stimulate digestive enzyme which will facilitate better absorption of nutrients from the food. I'll be making use of ginger. I'm going to peel the ginger. I'll be making use of 2 apples. So I'm going to core the apple and remove the apple seed and core. Apple is so good for weight loss. I'll be making use of 1 lemon. So I'm going to peel the lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and it will aid digestion. When I'm done, I'm going to add everything into the blender. I'll be making use of 2 cups of water. I'm using 2 cups of water because I'll be drinking this drink 2 times, one in the morning as a first drink and one in the evening as a last drink. This drink is so effective because to hydrate your body, aid digestion and improve bowel movement. Cucumber and apple weight loss drink is so effective and tastes nice. You can combine this with eating healthy, exercising, and take this drink at least for 7 days. You'll see a great result. When I'm done adding, I'll cover the blender and blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, I'm going to strain to get the drink. You can choose to skip this method if you want to enjoy the high fiber content of this drink. Finally, the weight loss drink is ready. This is an effective weight loss drink that will help you to lose weight and burn belly fat. You can drink 1 cup of this drink on empty stomach in the morning and 1 cup as a last drink in the evening. This weight loss drink tastes so good because of all the ingredients that we added, and I will advise you to make it fresh for effective results. You can combine it with healthy eating and exercise. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.